Today I'm going to be showing you how to prep this polygel set on natural nails for an infill. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting this prepping by using my cuticle drill bit to take off the grown cuticles from my client nails. So I'm going to be doing this on all the 10 fingernails. I showed you what the nails looked like before I started the prepping. So this is what I'm going to start with, taking off the grown cuticles. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. My client has had these nails on for about 6 weeks, and that's why she came for a refill. So now I had taken off the gel polish color on the set before I started the recording. I forgot to record that part, so I just thought to record this process so you guys can see how I do an infill for a natural nail polygel set. I'm going to be taking a fine drill bit, this fine drill bit I got from AliExpress, to take down excess polygel from these nails. I want it to be a little bit flat, so when I apply the fresh polygel, it won't be too bulky. I'll be using this fine drill bit on the parts where the polygel is alone. I don't want it to get to where the natural nail is, because I know it will be very hot. So if you look at me closely, you see I'm only using it on the part where the polygel starts from. So most of the nail grew out, but there's a particular part, I think the index finger, I think she ate it or something, so it's a little bit lifted. So I'll be using a cuticle nail part to clip that part where there's a lifting.
Baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby, what have you done to me, oh?
Next, I'm going to be taking a sandy bit to smoothing that part where the natural nail is. Remember I told you that I was not using the other drill bit on the natural nail side, so I'll be using this one on the natural nail side to take off the remaining cuticle that might still be left on the natural nails.
You, all I seek, I find it in you, and I'm falling for you, yeah, and I'm calling to you, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous, don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous, don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you.
So I'll be using the cuticle nipper to nip that part where it's lifted. I told you the index finger was lifted because she hit it on something. So I'm going to be clipping that part that is lifted, and I'm still going to file it down a bit later so it can be flat. Then I'll also be using a cuticle nipper to take off any dry skin that is left on the cuticle area.
Empire.
Next, I'll be using my nail file to reshape the natural nails.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. Tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Uncle to buffet, Loma get stuck on my lobby, ewo, body on jet, I tarot on my.
I'll be applying primer on the area where the natural nails are showing.
Go bail, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
I'll be applying a gel-based coat on all the 10 fingernails. I'll cure it for 60 seconds before I start applying the polygel on these already prepped natural nails. So this is how I prep my polygel set for an infill. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. All you need to do is just to click on the red subscribe button below to join the family. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. So I'll be doing this tutorial in 2 parts. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. So because I showed the prepping part, it made the videos be very long. So that's why I decided to cut it into 2. So I'll be showing the parts where I applied the polygel on this prep nails here, so that the next one also won't be long. So please watch out for the concluding part of this tutorial video, where I will be showing the design I did on this polygel set infill. Now I'm applying the polygel on the nails, and I'm using a gel-based coat as my slip solution. I usually use a gel-based coat as my slip solution. It works with most of the polygels except Rosalind Clear Polygel. A gel-based coat doesn't work with it as the slip solution. I discovered it's just the alcohol solution that works with it as a slip solution.
What you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I'm falling in love, shorty. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me, yo? Got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama.
So this is what we have after curing this in the UV lamp for 120 seconds. Kindly watch out for the concluding part of this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time. Bye.